Hello viewers, we will continue in the common operational technology port in the field of what cybersecurity. Now we are in port 502, which is what the Modbus. Now before we continue, firstly, why does Modbus what exist? Now industrial machine needs to what read sensor values, turn equipment on or off, adjust process parameters. In the 1970s, engineer needed a simple, reliable, vendors neutral way of what for machines to talk to each other, so they created Modbus. Now what is Modbus? Modbus is a communication language that allow machines to what to ask another machine for information or tell it to what and tell it what to do. That is no complexity, no intelligence, just what clear instruction. And then what is port 502? Originally Modbus run over serial cables. Later it was adapted to what to internet. When Modbus what runs over internet, it uses port 502. Now a simple reminder, you should know that IP address is equal to what to the machine location, which is the building. Port is equal to the door, and then Modbus is the command language, and the port 502 allow machines to exchange control what messages. Now who talks to who in Modbus? Modbus uses a master slave model, which is modern terms clients and server. The master is the client, while the master is the client, which is SCADA, HMI control system, and then the slave server is the PLC, remote devices, feed controller. Now the master asks question and then send command, and the slave responds and also what obey. What kind of messages does Modbus what carry? Modbus messages include what is the temperature, what is the pressure, turn this valve on, turn this motor off. This command affects what re-equipment. In oil and gas, as an example, imagine a crude oil pipeline. Sensor measure what pressure, a PLC monitor values, and then a control room supervise everything. Every second SCADA send a Modbus what request. PLC must reply with what sensor data. If pressure is high, SCADA send a Modbus what command. PLC close a valve. All these travel through the port 502. Why Modbus become so popular is because Modbus succeeded because it is a what easy to implement, easy to troubleshoot, support by almost every vendors. Engineers trusted it because it's just work. The big problem is that Modbus trust everybody. It has no password, no encryption, no identity verification. Any device that can talk to Modbus can read data, can send command, and then the thing is that Modbus assume everyone's on the network is so trusted. And then why port 502 is extremely dangerous if exposed. If attacker access port 502, they can read processes values, they can change control settings, they can stop or start equipment. This is not theory, it has happened in real incidents. Now why Modbus attacks are hard to detect. Modbus command is looks normal, follow protocol rules, don't trigger alarms easily, and then a malicious command can look like a normal operator's actions. Why IT security tools struggle with Modbus? IT security tools scan aggressively, block traffics, add delay, but in mobile system, delay based control loops. Blocking traffics can stop what processes. Scanning can crash devices. Operational technology security must be carefully and passive. How Modbus is protected in modern operational technology? Since Modbus is insecure, protection happens around it, like what network segmentation, firewall with strict rules, monitoring traffic behaviors, limiting who can access port 502. Security wraps Modbus was like a what? Shield. Now think of Modbus like a factory intercom with no lock. Anyone who speaks the language can give what? Instruction. Security is about making sure only the right people can use the intercom. Now port 502, which is the Modbus, is a powerful, is powerful because it's directly what? Control machines, and dangerous because it's blindly what? Trust. Protecting Modbus means protecting equipment, production, safety, the environment. If a system work perfectly but has no security, should it still be trusted in today's world? Now tell me what you think in the comment section. So have a nice day. Thank you. Follow us, subscribe and comment in this our channel. So thank you.